Hello children, welcoming in the 11th class of science of class 8, chapter 11, friction. Students, in second video we have talked many more things about friction. How can we measure the friction and how friction is important for us. Now sometimes we feel to reduce the friction. Then what can be done to reduce the friction? So there are some measures that can reduce the friction, as first using ball and rods. Second, using lubricants. Third, using powder. And fourth, using wheels. Students, these are the measures that can reduce the friction. So why do we need to reducing friction? How can these measures can be used? About it we will learn in detail. As given here, the friction pulls the object in a direction opposite to the motion and slows them down. It transfers the energy of motion into heat, noise and vibration of the other surface in contact. Besides, it causes rubbing of the moving objects or the moving parts of objects and affect their efficiency. Students, आपने देखा होगा जब गाड़ियों में टायर लगाए जाते हैं वह कुछ समय बाद घिस जाते हैं. Machines also tire and other surfaces be more rough than earth. So these disturb our work. So what can we do to reduce their roughness, to reduce the frictions? So at times excess of heat and rubbing off results in a lot of wear and tear of the parts of tools, machines and devices in industries, factories, homes as well as vehicles. The damaged part of the machines and vehicles are to be repaired or replaced from time to time for the proper functioning of these machines and vehicles. In order to minimize the wear and tear of the parts of machines and vehicles, scientists have devised some means of reducing the friction between two moving parts. The method of reducing are as follows. आपने भी देखा होगा, आप साइकिल चलाते हो, कभी कभी साइकिल को आवाज करने लगता है. जब आप इसको मिस्त्री पास ले जाते हो और खुलता है तो बताता है कि इसमें कुछ बॉल्स होते हैं जो टूट जाते हैं या चेन टूट कर गिर जाते हैं. Why? Sometimes we find that our those hinges make noises. Then why it be so? And the reason behind it the friction which makes the surfaces rough. So first process is lubrication. It must have happened a number of times with you when the moving your cycle becomes tough or it start making noise. You get it iron. There are many other machines of common use which need to be ironed and greased from time to time for their smooth function. Sewing machine, ceiling and table fans, lock and key are some of these. Materials like oil, grease and graphite are put in between the moving parts of the machines. This process is known as lubrication. Means when two parts of the machines which are running each other, so they are sliding each other and then the lubrication makes the polishing between them. It just make it easier to slide one other. So children, here lubrication makes a vital role. It plays a vital role in reducing the friction. The materials used for lubrication are known as lubricant. The lubricants form a layer in between the two moving parts and their surfaces. So they no longer rub directly on each other. They slide past on a layer of the lubricant. Lubrication is not limited to these simple home devices. All machines in industries and factories need to be lubricated regularly from time to time, or else their parts not only make more noise while working but also get broken or rubbed off soon. About it, I told you just मैंने क्या बताया कि वो चीजें जब लगातार आपस में टकराती हैं तो वह टूट जाती हैं, और इससे बचाने के लिए हमें लुब्रिकेंट की जरूरत पड़ती है. यूज ऑफ बॉल्स, रोलर्स एंड व्हील्स. कैन यू इमेजिन द plight of a driver who is given a car to be driven without wheels? It's not only cars, think of any other means of transport without wheels. Leave aside vehicles, heavy suitcases, prams to carry small children. Heavy cupboards are provided with wheels for their easy movement. You can imagine you have a heavy suitcase without wheel and it's very tough to carry them for long distances. But if it is fitted with wheel, it's very easy to carry. There are a large number of industrial and domestic machines where one part of the machine rotates or revolves about another. To minimize one of them is in circular motion, small metallic balls or cylinders are kept between them in well-designed slot. This system of metal balls in their slots or sockets is known as ball bearing, and that of metal cylinders in their slots is known as roller bearing. मतलब जो बॉल बेरिंग हम किसी सॉकेट के अंदर जैसे डाल देते हैं, जैसे तुम अपने साइकिल में देख सकते हो कि जो हमारा हैंडल होता है उसके ठीक सेंटर में एक गोलाकार खांचा बना होता है, इसके अंदर बहुत सारे बॉल बेरिंग होते हैं, और अक्सर उन जगहों पर जहां हम टर्निंग का काम लेते हैं, बार बार मोड़ने वाली बात होती है, तो वहाँ वो एक तीसरे पर उसके पार्ट्स आसानी से रोल कर सके, वहाँ हम बॉल बेरिंग का यूज करते हैं. द फ्रिक्शन दैट कम्स इनटू प्ले इन बिटवीन द टू moving parts with wheels, rollers or balls between them is called rolling friction. The presence of rolling devices reduces the friction to a great extent, as the rolling friction is much less than the sliding friction. Ball bearing and roller bearings are commonly used in fans, wheels of cycles, electric motors, water pumps and gears. तो ये स्लाइडिंग फ्रिक्शन में क्या होता है कि हम किसी चीज को, जैसे कोई अगर वस्तु है तो हम उसको एक स्लाइडर के ऊपर से, एक स्लाइडर पर से क्या करते हैं, इसको स्लाइड कराएं, और इसके बजाय अगर हम एक दूसरे वस्तु को एक बॉल से हम अगर ऐड कर देते हैं तो यह रोल कराना काफी आसान हो जाता है. सो rolling friction is more convenience than sliding friction. Now often you play carrom board and you find that when your striker does not move easily, then you use powder on the board so that it can slide easily. So those of you who play carrom must be using talcum powder on the carrom board to smooth out the movement of the striker and the coins on it. A very fine powder is used in some machinery also to reduce friction. Powder forms a layer between the moving parts so that they do not rub against each other and the friction between them is minimized. Polishing these surfaces. Sometimes when the use of lubricants or ball bearing is not particularly possible, the two surfaces of moving parts in contact are buffed and polished to make them as smooth as possible. The surfaces may even be electroplated to give them a smooth finish. Polishing also helps in minimizing friction to a considerable extent. अर्थात कुछ ऐसे प्लेस होते हैं जहां हम रोल करा नहीं सकते हैं, बॉल बेरिंग यूज कर नहीं सकते, तो उन स्थानों पर हमें क्या करना चाहिए, पॉलिशिंग करना चाहिए. चलिए पॉलिश मटेरियल्स जो होते हैं, जो पॉलिशिंग मटेरियल्स होते हैं, वो दो सतहों के बीच के घर्षण को कम करते हैं और हमारा काम आसान हो जाता है.
You can easily hold a glass tumbler in your hand. But will the same be true if the outer surface of the same glass tumbler is made greasy or has a film of cooking oil over it? It is due to the friction that we can write, hold, or can produce fire. It is difficult to move a heavy box on a rough surface. But it can be moved easily on a smooth surface. Friction opposes motion and can be increased if the two surfaces in contact are pressed harder. Friction can be increased or reduced by various methods. Have you ever thought why your shoes and tires are grooved? It is done to provide better grip on the ground. To increase the friction, the brakes are provided in the vehicles. As the brakes are applied, the brake pads arrest the motion of the rim due to friction. Do you know why kabaddi players or gymnasts apply some course of substance on their hands? They do so to increase the friction for better grip. In many situations, friction is undesirable, and so it is necessary to minimize it. You must have played the game of carom. We sprinkle powder on the carom board to reduce the friction so that the striker and the carom coins move smoothly on the board. Sometimes it is difficult to open the door. In such a situation, we pour few drops of oil on the hinges of a door, which reduces friction and make the movement of the door smooth. Due to repeated use, the friction between the moving parts of the machines increases, which reduces its efficiency. On applying grease, the friction between the moving parts reduces and thus the efficiency increases. It is difficult to move a heavy suitcase, but the same suitcase can be moved easily if it is provided with wheels, as wheels reduce friction.
Now students, in the next video, I will tell you about the importance of